Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I want to show you this breakout from the falling wedge pattern, and we will also take a look at this triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame. And here Bitcoin is going very good. It is forming higher lows and higher highs as well. And for example, if the price line is going to form another higher high, then it can even cross $70,000 price as well. But if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here we are stuck inside this ascending triangle, and here we have the resistance at $45,000. Right now the price line is struggling to break out the next resistance of $40,000. That is very strong resistance. We can see that previously it has been working as a support here, as a resistance here, as a support, and several times it has been working as a support and resistance. Right now the price line is there to break it out once again, and if it will break out this resistance, then it can reach up to here, and that is the resistance of the triangle at $45,000. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then our next target after the breakout can be here. If I place this trend line at the breakout point, approximately at very close to $60,000 after this breakout we can expect. Now, if we switch to the very small time frame on the 1 hourly time frame chart, here price line formed this falling wedge pattern, and recently the price line has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge. The target for this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, and you can see that the price line has already reached that target, and now we are having some correction. It is possible that we may retest the previous resistance of the falling wedge as a support, and from there we can have another reversal move. At the same time, price line is also forming on this 1 hourly time frame chart an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is left shoulder, here we have the head, and this is the next expected right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern, and this is the neckline. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then we can expect an imminent move up to here. That will be approximately $41,300. And if the price line moves there, it means that it is also going to break out the next very powerful resistance of $40,000 that we have just seen, that has been working as a very strong resistance and support previously as well. Therefore, the next few hours are very important for Bitcoin on the hourly time frame chart. This small breakout can lead to a very, very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.